What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. And you already know we back with another one, baby. Yo, Travis Scott's released this weekend, man. Let's get into it. Alright, so, man, big week in the sneaker community here in Chicago this weekend. We got those Travis Scott things coming in, you know what I'm saying, June 9th. You know what I'm saying? A few different locations in my city, hopefully in your city too. You know what I'm saying? But as we know, your boy Q the Flu, we are in Chicago, man. Definitely excited about these. Your boy is a big fan. You know what I'm saying? As a matter of fact, one moment. As you can see over here, you know what I'm saying, with Travis Scott, you know, sitting here right there. Your boy, you know, is a huge fan of Nike's collaboration with these Travis Scotts that they've been dropping, man. I thought these were a home run, and you already know, I definitely think those blue things are a home run too. You know, if you may not know, here in Chicago, you know, as for our state flag, I know that those things are inspired by the Houston Oilers. And that old, you know, kind of baby blue red colorway that they used to have back in the day. But here in Chicago, Chicago flag, our colors are also, our Chicago flag colors are also that baby blue, red, and white color, man. So, you know what I'm saying, those joints will definitely, you know, go right in with a lot of, you know, the Chicago hometown flag, you know, kind of merch and swag that we got here in the city. So I'm excited. I'm looking forward to those things. I think they're a fire shoe, man. You know, Nike and, you know, is really, you know, did their thing. And I think it's funny how, you know, out goes Drake and then just out of the blue, like Nike could see it coming. You got Travis Scott, who is perhaps the most, you know, popping rap artist, young rap artist in the game today, man. Then he got the Kylie Jenner wave coming in behind him, man. So you know, just all the younger generation of just hype beasts and, you know, just pop culture, and just the culture in general, you know, are definitely going to be rocking behind his wave. Plus, he just makes pretty good music, man. Nah, I can't deny that. You know, a lot of the merch, the artistry, you know, the merch and the artistry that goes behind that. The man just killing it, man, on just, you know, he's a style icon, man. And so to just have something like that in your collection, I think those would be a lot more wearable than these guys. As you guys can see, these are still DS, man. Like, I'm absolutely afraid to wear these guys right here, man. It's probably because, I mean, it's just all white canvas, man. I live in Chicago, all type of elements, snow, whatever you may, snow, dirt, rain, sleet, snow, whatever it may be. You know what I'm saying? I'm not putting, you know, my kicks, especially kicks as beautiful as these guys right here, in harm's way. Even though, ooh, I got an idea. These on them Travis, on them fours. But yeah, man. So definitely not gonna put these guys in harm's way. But you know, it would be nice to add those Scotts, you know what I'm saying, to the Travis Scott collection, man. By the way, that Governor's Ball merch, fire. Fire. You know what I'm saying? Your boy will be copping, but the resellers are hitting people over the head for those hoodies. Jesus. But you know, Travis Scott is coming to Chicago, Lollapalooza. I will be in the building. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, getting back to the topic, man, those shoes are fire. You know, we got a couple of spots here in Chicago, you know, Foot Action, you know, Jordan Store. You know, they stay looking to have a big, you know, a big release. You know what I'm saying? But they kind of, you know, the Jordan Store definitely got them. And then we got a few other Foot Action, you know, locations that's gonna have them, which kind of leads me to believe that they might just be out here, man. You know, of course we're gonna have the RSVPs. I imagine the St. Alfred's of the world, maybe the No Trades, they gonna have them. You know, and those are smaller boutique style stores. But I can see, you know, these are seemingly going to be around, which I think is interesting because, you know, if we were looking at the sneaker blogs, people were saying there were only going to be about 13 to 15,000 pairs worldwide, man. But these are looking like they're going to be way more widely available than that, which is really dope. I hope everybody that wants to get their hand on a pair can get their hand on a pair, man. You know what I'm saying? Because, I mean, at the end of the day, it's just shoes. and we all want to be fly out here. You know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know, man. What y'all copping? Are y'all copping? Do y'all like the shoe? Do y'all not like the shoe? You know what I'm saying? I think the shoe is fire, if I must say. You know what I'm saying? You know, y'all let me know in that comment box, man. I definitely look forward to picking up a pair this weekend in Chicago, Saturday and Sunday. SneakerCon Chicago is here in the building, so I already know I'm probably gonna see a lot of those things floating around at the event, man. And if I strike out, which we don't take L's over here, we take W's, baby. You know what I'm saying? But if I do strike out, you know, your boy definitely gonna be looking to cop a pair of SneakerCon this weekend, and you already know we gonna have the footage right on deck for you. Flu Gang TV, we already know how we rocking over here. But it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer, man. Checking in about those Travis Scott 4s, you know what I'm saying? And you already know how we rocking with it, baby. Gang, 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 gang.
Shawty be like a bitch, hitting that shit.